Returning home though now, and the Reserve Bank is widely expected to raise interest rates today to 3.35%. That'll be the highest level in more than a decade. Joining us now is our business reporter, Edward Boyd. And Ed, of course, these rate rises, they're all designed to reduce inflation in the economy.
Yeah, inflation last year was 7.8% by the end of December, so a particularly high level of inflation, highest level since March 1990, so more than 30-year highs for inflation. So what's the Reserve Bank been doing? Well, in 2022, we can put up on the screen for you, they lifted interest rates 8 consecutive times. The cash rate started last year at 0.1%, and it finished in December at 3.1%. There were some big rate increases last year. Some of them were 0.5% increase in a single rates meeting. Today, we're expecting the RBA to lift rates by 25 basis points. We can show you the impact that it have on someone with a $500,000 mortgage. That's an additional $76 per month in repayments, but it's the cumulative impact of all of those previous 8 rate rises last year and the potential for one today. So 9 rate increases. That's going to cost the average person with a $500,000 loan about $908 more every month. And obviously, those figures increase significantly the larger the loan. And for $1 million loan, you're looking at roughly $1,800 more in repayments every single month. But we can also show you how interest rates currently in Australia compare to other major economies around the world. For example, in the United States, inflation in the US is at 6.5%. And their interest rates were just lifted a week ago. They're at 4.75%. Some of the other major economies, including the UK, inflation there is 9.2%. The interest rates there are at 4%. And then closer to home, you've got New Zealand. Inflation is very close to Australia's level, but their interest rates are much higher as well. So, Ash, there's a risk today that the Reserve Bank is being left a little bit behind when you look at their global peers, because every economy around the world is fighting inflation too. So it's not just us. This is a big global issue.